So I'm just going to give you a quick introduction of my XR6 Falcon. It's looking pretty clean at the moment. I've done a bit to it already, but there's a lot to go. Recently just painted the battery bracket and tidied out the engine bay a little bit. That cleaned under the window wiper panel. It's coming along well, but there's still a lot to do. There's a few rust repairs I need to do. You can see to the seal panels. Got the seats out at the moment, the front seat out at the moment. I'm going to take the rest of the seats out, give it a full steam clean. Just finished replacing the electric window regulator on the passenger side. Did the other side a couple of years ago, so hopefully I'm good for another 10 or so years. We'll take all this out. Still got the kids' seats in there, but got to take all the seats out because another thing I have to do. I've got them just here, and boot struts. Just falls at the moment, so the boot struts are gone. Tidy up the boot, put a few of the trim panels back. Unfortunately, someone ran into the back of me a few years ago. It looked a lot worse at the time, but I've kind of fixed it up and bent the bumper back and repainted one of these, but I've done a dodgy job with a can, so I might get that all replaced. It needs a new boot lid. I bent it all back, but it's really still stuffed. And to bend it back, I stuffed the boot, but so I need that new one. The spoilers all peels all cleared like they all do. The exhaust pipe's sagging. I need new exhaust anyway, it's all rusty, got a hole in it. Wouldn't mind just a 3-inch stainless system made for it. There's a little bit of rust here and there in the doors I need to fix up. I think there's another one up here. It's sort of surfacey. It's not too deep, so I should be okay. The bottom of some of the doors are a little bit rusty, but I should be able to fix them up without full repairs. Under the kick door panels, on the driver's side, there's a bit of a rust. Again, surface rust, so I'll have to fix that up. I definitely need new window tint. It's starting to peel off here and it's got all mouldy underneath. There's a few spotty bits, especially the back window. It's bubbling up and it's all looking a bit sort of purple in colour, so definitely need to redo tint, but that's a pretty cheap job. About $340 will get you a really good tint job. Interior is pretty clean. The driver's seat's a little dirty, but I'm going to steam clean that. Got the steam cleaner and the steamer vessel here, so I'm going to go through the engine bay with that too. I've got a new radiator overflow tank to go in because that's gone all disgusting and yellow. You can even see the level. Wouldn't mind getting these extractors ceramic coated and polished ceramic coating finish. Either that, or I'm tempted to turbo this. Just an easy 300 rear wheel kilowatts would do me with the stock BTR gearbox, but we'll see. Ultimately, I'd love 600 kilowatts and a 6-speed TR6060 gearbox in it, but we'll see how that goes. It's all about money. I've got to replace that after fixing up the front bumper. I still haven't replaced that, although I have. I've got it up here. In one of my videos, I fully put trim restore on it, so it's looking a lot better than what it was. So I've just got to chuck that back on, and a few other pieces. But yeah, no, it's starting to look good. In the pictures, if you follow me on Instagram, XR6, you'll see in the pictures it looks immaculate, but it's not quite perfect. It's 26 years old now, so I'm tempted to put it on Club Rego, but at the moment it's my only car, so if I buy another car, it'll definitely go on Club Rego to save a bit of money. Although I do like my black number plates. Yeah, I'll probably have to put on obviously heritage plates if I go Club Rego, but it's worth it. It's going to save a lot of money. But yeah, that's it. So anyway, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll you know, film a whole lot of stuff, fixing up things. I know I'm just about to put all new globes in, because the indicator globes and tail light globes, the indicator globes are no longer orange. They've all the globes are all peeled off, so all the orange amber stuff, paint is peeled off the globe, so I've got to put them, and plus yeah, the Parkers are stuffed and a few things, so got to put the window wipers back on. Just waiting for new window wipers. I've repainted the arms, just waiting for the new frames. Chuck them back on, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and catch you all later.